You need help? You want me to squeeze it for you? Want to hold the spoon? I'll squeeze it?
Yeah.
Okay, watch.
Yeah.
You gotta hold the spoon right though.
I still don't understand how you can just
Your
drink
turn.
grapefruit juice and not squint at all.
You gotta hold your spoon so it gets on it there. You cannot drink it. You lost a whole bunch of juice there.
You have the bowl.
Want me to help you?
My turn.
Okay, don't get upset. It's slippery. Here. You want me to try?
Yeah.
See? There. Have to be gentle. I made a juice once and I put a whole grapefruit in there. Joe was like, that's tart. And she's like,
Like, no problem, right?
We're almost out of juice.
No.
Bless you, bless you.
Make a wish.
Okay, I think that's it. I think we're done. I'll get that one.
My turn.
She's getting rid of the spoon.
This spoon is useless.
Mm-hmm.